$1,000. So, that's actually horrifying. Oh my God. In 2020, R.J. Corbin filed a notice of abandonment with the U.S. Surface Transportation Board. Locals, the Northeast Tennessee Rail Authority, and the Arkansas-Oklahoma Railroad tried to save the line by appealing with the STB, though eventually the STB denied all appeals when it came to this. Some sources say that there was plans to use it for off-rail tourism at some point once it's removed from the spot it's been left in, but I'm not actually sure what that even means. How do you have rail tourism without rails? What? Maybe they were going to turn it into some kind of restaurant sort of deal? I've seen that happen, but apparently anything involving that fell through, and Phillips allegedly doesn't even own the locomotive anymore. Most sources peter out after 2021, and I'm not even sure if it's still there at this point. Possibly, but at this time, seems well and true that this diesel and her coaches have been abandoned. The train graveyard of North Yorkshire. This site sits near Thirsk and can be sourced well back to... Yep, that's about right. Speaking of them, though, there's some new merch in the shop, just in case you're interested. There's the beaching axe, as well as Chad British Rail, which I think is pretty funny to me. I don't know, maybe you like that. Maybe you don't. Or maybe you don't have to. It's just there. It's new. You can get it if you want. Just saying. Anyway, the graveyard doesn't actually have any locomotives in it, as far as I understand. So we don't have to deal with that. What we do have, though, are a bunch of rotting Mark II coaches. Roughly 7 of them, to be exact. Based on sources, it seems like they were moved from the site when they didn't sell or auction. I guess they couldn't scrap them for whatever reason, or it was just more cost-effective to let them sit. Maybe they thought they could buy them in the future. But, yeah, they're still there as far as it goes. They're just sitting, chilling, rotting away, as one does. That seems to be the issue with many of these forgotten railroad graveyards. Railways will either go under or just forget about rolling stock they have, and they'll use for the old stuff, but they either forget to scrap it, or financial reasons mean they can't. Sometimes economically, it's not feasible to scrap something. It sounds weird, but sometimes scrapping doesn't really work. Searching for any of these lost locomotives or rolling stock unless you have the property owner's specific permission. So it's probably best you don't go kicking that hornet's nest and possibly get yourself in a whole heap of trouble. So I think these abandoned coaches really spell out why people are sometimes fascinated with these train graveyards. Former glorious rail cars just left, abandoned, to rust away. It really is like looking at death. Maybe these things